Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jacinta, your girl who loves things all on sale. If you're new here, come on in, come on in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some outfits and some tips and tricks on how to style your body type. I am almost 4 months postpartum with my first baby, Max, and I never realized how much my body would change after birth. Like, it just didn't dawn on me how my body will change and everything that I have to go through. I'm currently breastfeeding, and that has been a whole nother beast. But to style these sisters here, I don't know. It's been challenging. I'm not yet really social. Like, I'm not going out social, but I know I will once, like, I start feeling better, and once the weather breaks, I know I will be, trying to get outside. So I do want to make sure that I have clothing in my closet to fit for, whatever event that I choose to go out to. With postpartum, it brings along with like wider hips, love handles, a belly pouch, bigger breasts, a whole lot of things. So this is really new for me, and it kind of like gets me down a little bit, if I'm gonna be honest, because if somebody invites me out and I don't have anything to wear, like anything that fits, like it really makes me, my body's changing and I don't have anything to wear in my closet. So that is why it's so important for me to just go out and, find pieces that fit my body type. It's important for me to already have those things in my closet. So it's not like, oh my God, I don't have anything to wear. All of my clothes are too small. I think I'm around like a 12. I can fit a 12. Yeah, I think I'm currently a 12. So I went from being a 4 to 6 to a size 12. And I think I gained like, I want to say that I gained 25 pounds during my pregnancy, and I lost about 10 or 15 pounds when I went back to my 6-week checkup. So I'm not at the weight that I was prior to being pregnant. And also, like, prior to being pregnant, if you don't know my journey with IVF injections, they can cause you to gain weight as well. So I pretty much don't even know what my pre-pregnancy weight is. It doesn't matter, because I'm going to, embrace the body that I have now. And I want you to embrace the body that you have, even if you're a new mom, or, you are just new in this body, you had some weight gain. Like, I'm gonna show you how you can definitely style your clothing, what would make your body appeal much flattering, so you can hide some of your areas that you're not so comfortable with. I think the most important thing that I want you to get out of this video, if you're not confident and you do struggle with that, I'm gonna help you just find some tips and tricks on how to cover up those areas that you're not too comfortable in. We all have those days. You're not alone, and I hope that you enjoyed this video that I'm putting out for you guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and head on to the video. I'll see you guys. All right, so these are high-waisted jeans here, and as you can see, like, it gives me full coverage of my belly here. Now, I just paired it with this sweater from Shein and this tank that I already had on, but it gives you your stomach the control that it needs. Like, you can look from this angle and you can even tell that I have a mom pouch versus if you did a size pants, then, you know, honey, this would be all out. So I think high-waisted, you should go that route to give your waist, I already have makeup on my shirt, y'all. This is why I don't wear white, but to give your waist the flex that it needs here, because it does a lot. And sometimes I like cardigan because also, like, if you're going somewhere and you don't want to show like a lot of belly, you can always cover it up with the cardigan. So I think cardigans are my thing here, y'all. I purchased these high-waisted jeans from Ross for $8.99. I do not want to spend a lot of money on jeans or anything of that sort because I feel like this is not going to be my body forever, you know, so I don't want to buy something like super expensive. So you can thrift clothes. You can go to like local stores like Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington. Look on their clearance rack. I really like these. These are with the pockets in the back. Have the pockets in the back, and it just covers up, you know, what I needed to cover up. And I like it. It's really cute. It makes me feel comfortable. Again, like my stomach is already inside, and for video purposes, you know, I threw this on, but this is like a cute outfit that I can definitely wear with heels maybe, or some flats. Definitely I have some shoes that I can throw on with this. That would be cute. Yeah, so I would like I like this outfit because again it accentuates your waist more with the high waist set versus the mid size. So I don't think mid size will work if that pouch is there. So keep that in mind. Yeah, I like it. All right, so a good workout gear, leisure wear would be a black fit here. Y'all, I can't find my pants that goes with this set, but this set comes with a top like this, like a bralette, and some pants. I'm gonna link the TikTok here, y'all, so you can see what it looks like post-pregnancy. Well, pre-pregnancy. Yeah, I'm gonna post it there. But again, like, it works with these workout pants. Again, the belly control is on flex. You have a little midriff if you want it. The girls are secure, and then you have this extra layer right here if you don't want this to show. And then you have the fingers out. So this would be another way. Black is always the way to go. And you're not seeing a lot of cellulite back there with the black. Super covered up, protected, and the tummy control is on flake. And so yeah, I like this black fit here. It kind of covers up everything that I needed to cover up here. I don't mind a little drift, a little mid-drift here. Y'all still have my line here. I don't know when it's gonna go away or if it's gonna go away, but it's still here. And yeah, I don't care. So yeah, this would be another outfit here. And you can also dress this down with like a oversized button up. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with Marcus, one of his shirts. Let me see. Let me wipe off this mirror. So my sneakers are way up, so, but put on some sneakers. You guys get the vision here. Ready to go here. athleisure wear with the oversized shirt. It covers up the belly sideways, covers up the butt. If you're gonna go to Target, run some errands, this would be a cute fit here. Again, you have the tummy control. You have your little girls out. Not too much on them, but I think it works. Like, alright, so this is an oversized dress here. It doesn't show anything. I can wear these with sneakers. A lot of things here. No midriff showing. The back is covered. You can wear this with sneakers, heels, and still be comfortable. So this is like an oversized dress. And I purchased this from Ross, I do believe. The other dress I purchased from Target. And these are dresses that I already have in my closet. And they still work. Alright, here is another one. Here is biker shorts. Biker shorts are going to guarantee that you're in there, okay? Like, the belly is inside of your shorts here, and versus outside of the shorts. It's going to give you the tummy coverage that you need. Also, it's going to allow you to breathe a little bit. So I always pair my biker shorts with oversized shirts, because, you know, if I'm going to the grocery store, I can slip on some Crocs, I can slip on some tennis shoes, and then I'll be ready to go. Because it is getting warmer outside, biker shorts is definitely going to be a flex for me. So I need to go actually shopping for some. These are some that I had before I got pregnant, and I'm definitely in them now more than ever. I love them. Quick to throw on with, you know, an oversized shirt. This shirt I actually got from my niece. I don't know where she got this from. But she had it on one day, and I was like, let me get that. And I think it's like an extra large. I don't know why she had an extra large though, but anyway. Yeah, so this would be another quick fit that you can do. Yeah. All right, so up next we have a blazer, and we're pairing it with leggings. Now, this is definitely going to be my go-to because I feel like it's an elevated look here. I decided to go with a darker color so I can bring out brighter colors with my accessory, like my shirt, my shoes, and just keep it casual but still modern. So I just layered it down, and I just chose black because it makes me look slimmer. Next up, we have this jumpsuit. I am so into jumpsuits right now. I never could get into them because it's like when you have to go to the bathroom, you have to take everything down. But y'all, this jumpsuit is so comfortable. It has room to breathe in, and for some reason, it makes me look slim. So I'm definitely into the jumpsuits right now. It's very loose. I think this was a size. I had to actually go down a size in this one. I think this is a medium. So definitely keep in mind jumpsuits. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.